Hey guys, we're here. We're gonna be doing uh, a break of 1516 Black Diamond, uh, Team Random single box sold through our Facebook group and on eBay. So here we go. This is the box we'll be going with tonight. We have here ending in serial number 98, 1516 Black Diamond. There we go. So we'll be breaking in a second. We're going to go through everybody's teams here. So we're going to pull that up quickly. And we will be getting to 1617 Ultimate right after this. So here we go. So we have all the teams in alphabetical order right here. I'll just zoom in a little bit for everybody. So here we go. So this is all the spots from Jason. We have in spot number 1 all the way down to Jason at 30. So we're going to copy that and go to random.org here. Or no, actually, sorry guys. Good thing I catch myself there. We're going to go ahead and random all 30 teams in alphabetical order 3 times, and then we will see everybody's team. So here we go. Quickly, we will get the date and time current. So date and time currently, we have, let me just get this one out of the way. So there we go. Current date and time is 8:49 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in Montreal, Laval, Quebec. So perfect, we got that. And here is random. Get a fresh list. So here we go. So all 30 teams from Anaheim on top to the Jets at the bottom. 30 teams. So good luck everybody 3 times. To see who everyone's has. LA Kings on top after 1. Bruins on top after 2. And third and final time, we have the Jets on top after 3. So I'll go ahead and copy this into the Facebook group quickly so everybody could have that. There we go. All teams are in with the timestamp and all. So we have a Winnipeg on top to start. So going to throw that in to the list and we will see everybody's team. So here we go, guys. All right. Oh yeah, my bad. Let me redo that. Go back to random. So we had Winnipeg on top with the Oilers on the bottom. So there we go. Paste. Put that in bold. And back to a full screen. Make sure everybody could see that. Perfect. So here we go, guys. So Jason's got the Jets. Albert has the Wild. Brad has the Stars. P. Goon 5 Hurricanes. King Fredster with the Sabres. Jeff with the Canadians. Daniel Marth Bruins. Jeff Leafs. John, I'm going to assume, yeah, JOH rack _0 Penguins. Brad with the Devils. Grekla has the Predators. Clark, that's Jeff Clark, I believe. Yeah, Jeff Clark with the Predators. Robert Norman has the Flames, Senators, and Flyers. Jason Lee Morgan with the Lightning and Red Wings as well. BP40 Panthers. James Maloch. Jim has the Islanders. Jeff with the Avalanche. Rodney has the St. Louis Blues. Daniel with the Rangers. Peter with the San Jose Sharks. Daniel with the Canucks. P. Goon 5 with the Jackets. Megan 11's got the Kings. Brad has the Ducks. And so James Clark again has the Capitals. Then DENTR.US 2015 has the Blackhawks. La Rock's got the Coyotes. And Jason finishes it off with the Oilers at the bottom. So there we go, guys. That's all the teams. And we'll get started. So good luck, everybody. Yeah, there you go, Jason. Yeah, this would be a good time. We'll see what we can do here. Here we go, guys. Make sure got some sleeves here quickly. Throw that out. And cool, we'll be good to go. Perfect. So here we go, guys. Good luck. 15-16 Black Diamond. We do have a box case of 15-16 Premier filling up with 23 spots left. Gonna try to throw in another filler like mini, sorry, as the first one, so we could get that going too. It'd be exciting. All right, so here we go. This is the pack. We're gonna start off with Exquisite. Good luck, everyone. Starting it off with Exquisite. All right, pretty plain patch, but a nice one. We have for the Winnipeg Jets, rookie patch. Exquisite of Connor Hellebuyck. Connor Hellebuyck, 5 of 299 for the Winnipeg Jets. Rookie Exquisite patch for the Jets to start it off. Not quite McDavid, Jason, but there you go. He came close to a final. All right, there's Exquisite, and here we go to the action now. Oh yeah, I'm gonna make sure to get a filler on top here. I think we might have a redemption, it looks like. All right, so there we go. See what we have here. Yes, there is a redemption. So we'll see how it goes. So here we go. On top we have, we start with the Buffalo Sabres Black Diamond base of Zemgus Girgensson, numbered 55 of 199 for the Sabres. 55 of 199 for the Sabres, Zemgus Girgensson. Next up, for the Ottawa Senators, we have a rookie team logo jumbo of Matt Puempel. So this is the manufactured patches, I believe. Pretty cool though. So there we go, team logo. Sorry guys, try to get at least a, there we go. Matt Puempel rookie team logo. For the Senators. All right, and we have a redemption is a Black Diamond silver on black rookie signatures number to 199 for the Arizona Coyotes, Max Domi. Max Domi. For the Coyotes. Next up we have for the Calgary Flames rookie material placards. Sorry guys. But yeah, there we go. Black Diamond rookie materials. Sam Bennett numbered to 299 for the Calgary Flames. Calgary Flames Sam Bennett. for the Flames. And we finish it off, guys, with a black diamond, silver on black for the Buffalo Sabres. Zemgus Girgensson. Zemgus Girgensson. Silver on black. Signatures. So there we have it, guys, for black diamond.